Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your Caviar credits. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Caviar credits from a refund or a gift card. How do you actually go ahead and use them? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Caviar. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on Account. Then on this page here, click on Payment. Then towards the middle, you're going to be able to see how much Caviar credits you have remaining. Now, credits will automatically apply to future orders. So with it, if you order something on Caviar while you have credits, you'll see a prompt that says that it's actually being applied automatically. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use your Caviar credits. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.